Hi, this is Pragya and welcome to Yum Curry. I'm in this beautiful resort at Kanuhura Maldives and today I'm going to make ravioli in basil sauce. Let's get started. So for making ravioli in pesto sauce, firstly we need to make a dough out of semolina. For this, we need 125 grams of semolina. To that, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add 60 grams of egg yolk, which is around 3 eggs. A little bit of water for the kneading. Now knead the dough for around 10 minutes until it comes together. Now that we have finished the kneading for around 10 minutes, it's time to rest the dough in refrigerator for around 1 hour. For that, take a bowl, transfer the dough and wrap it with a cling wrap. Keep this in refrigerator for around 1 hour. Now it's time to prepare the stuffing for this ravioli. For this I'm using mushroom and cheese. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. I'm using olive oil here. To that add 100 grams of mushroom. You can use any mushroom which is available. Now fry this mushroom for around 10 minutes until it's well cooked. Add some thyme leaves to it for the flavor. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Now the mushroom has started releasing water, so we have to cook this mushroom until it becomes dry. Now that our mushroom is done, it's time to transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. Now that our mushroom has cooled down, it's time to add cheese to it. For that I'm using 5 grams of Parmesan cheese, 50 grams of mascarpone cheese. If mascarpone cheese is not available, you can use cream cheese as well. Now mix it. Now we are going to blend this into a fine paste. This is the perfect consistency for the filling. For this ravioli, we are making pesto sauce. So for that process, we need to blanch our basils into hot boiling water for around 30 seconds. For that, we need 70 grams of basil. Put them in hot boiling water. Now it's been 30 seconds. It's time to take it out and put them into the ice cold water. Let the basil cool down for around 5 minutes. Now that our basil has cooled down, it's time to prepare the sauce. For that we need 120 ml of extra virgin olive oil. To that add 8 grams of pine nuts. If it's not easily available, you can replace it with walnuts. Add 2 walnuts to it. Add 2 garlic cloves. 20 grams of Parmesan cheese and a pinch of salt. I'm going to blend this in a blender and make a smooth paste out of it. Pesto sauce is ready. Now that our dough is well rested in the refrigerator, take out the cling wrap and give it a little mix. I'm gonna divide this dough into 2 parts. Just cut it in half. And roll it really thin. Now the sheet looks really thin. It's time to add some stuffing.
I'm
I'm going to use some egg wash to seal the ravioli from the sides. You can also use water instead. Now that we are done, it's time to fold it in half. Now take a designer cutter and cut it. I'm using this to cut it. Our ravioli is ready. Now it's time to boil it. Now we are going to boil the ravioli in hot water for around 6 to 7 minutes on high heat. Drop your raviolis very gently. Add around 1 teaspoon of salt to it and let it boil. So our ravioli is done. It's time to take it out. Add little bit of olive oil to it so that it doesn't stick together. Now add the prepared ravioli into the hot sauce which we prepared earlier. Give it a mix. Coat the ravioli properly with the pesto sauce. Now it's time to plate. Add some Parmesan cheese. Add some fresh basil. Your ravioli in pesto sauce is ready. Hi! It's time for tasting. It's so yum. Please give it a try and I'll see you soon. Bye.